So you're welcome to my world. I'm excited to have you here. Today I'm going to be looking at how to create a YouTube channel with your mobile phone. I have a lot of persons who have been, saying that they cannot create a YouTube channel because they don't have a laptop. So I want to use the opportunity to teach you or show you how you can open a YouTube channel with your mobile phone. One of those things that I discuss, what I teach, is how to create content, how to be a content creator in order for you to make money on YouTube without showing your face. I have channels to show you to prove that I've been doing that over the years. And so I want to be teaching a lot of persons who needs to create channels in order for them to make money online. YouTube is one of the platforms that you can use to make money online without showing your face, like what I'm doing right now. And I also have a lot of example of things also that you can do to make money on YouTube. Now, so I'm teaching you how you can open or create a YouTube channel with your mobile phone so you can start making videos and growing your channel. Now, if you look here, we have the I have the YouTube app here. This is the YouTube app. So if you already have a YouTube app on your mobile device, I believe that. So the first thing we do is to open our YouTube app. So what I have here now, the first thing that you need to understand is that to open a YouTube channel, you must have a Gmail account. To open a YouTube channel, you must have a Gmail account. So I have a Gmail account, and once you have a Gmail account, the next thing that you have that YouTube create a channel for you. So what you are seeing here right now, this is my uh, YouTube account. This is a account that comes with my already existing YouTube. So I already have a YouTube account because I have a Gmail. Everyone that has a Gmail, I said, has a YouTube account so that you can watch people you can watch videos on YouTube. So if you click here right now, you're going to see the channel. So if you click here and you click here also, you're going to see here, you're going to see what your channel. This is your channel. So I click on your channel, and it goes into my channel. And if you look at my channel right now, you're not going to be seeing any video on it because I'm not using this particular channel. I'm not creating any content on this particular channel. I have a business channel that I'm using to create my video, and that's exactly what I want to teach you. So you'll not be using the one that the Gmail provides for you, that YouTube creates for you. You're going to create your own channel yourself. Man, there are a lot of reasons why you create your channel. The first reason is this: that if you use this particular channel that you're seeing on the screen to create your channel, is that you can't change this channel name. What you're going to have in your Gmail, the name you're going to have in your Gmail account is the name that you're going to continually use because the word is in the Gmail. That's something that if you want to scale, if you want to employ more persons to manage your YouTube channel for you, you're going to be particularly giving them your email account. That's going to be your email password. That could be very dangerous. So if you don't want that to happen, to be given someone to manage your YouTube account when it grows big, you don't want to give them your email account. You need to create a business channel so you can scale that. So what I'm teaching right now is how to open that channel. Now, if you want to open such a channel, you cannot open it using the YouTube app on your mobile phone. You need to go to your browser to do that. So we go over to our browser. So what I have on my phone is a Chrome browser. Now this here is the Chrome browser, right? So this is the Chrome browser that I have on my phone. So I click on the Chrome browser and it takes me to Chrome. And up here you're going to see here a search button for the Chrome. You see the search button. So we're going to be typing YouTube here. But before we do that, there's something that's important that you must know. This particular Chrome browser that you're seeing right now is what we call this is the mobile version of the Chrome browser. Now we need to change this mobile version of the Chrome browser to a desktop site so we can view it in a more advanced way, or view it in such a way that it will seems as though we are using the computer. That's why it's called a desktop site. So if we look at these three arrows here, That's where you go to click in order for you to change this mobile site to a desktop site. So we go over to do that. We click on these three, and it takes us down, down, down to where we have here. You can see here desktop site, right? You see desktop site, right? So this is where we're going to be clicking in order for us to move to change this what we're seeing now to a desktop site. So we click on this and it changes to a desktop site. So what we're having right now, you see the site that we're having just now has changed, and so this is the appearing in the desk. So if you open this particular website on a laptop and I open it on my phone using the desktop site, we're going to be having the same things as it is in the phone. Now, so the next thing I do right now is to go to YouTube, right? The next thing I do is to click on YouTube. So it takes me to youtube.com. You type YouTube. Let me do the typing so that you see what I'm doing. You type youtube.com. So you see here we have youtube.com here, right? So you click on it, you search for youtube.com so that well, remember we're working with YouTube, not the particular site that we're in right now. So this now takes us to YouTube, and when we get to YouTube, we're going to be looking at how we can do what we tend to do, and that's creating a YouTube channel from our Gmail account. Remember, I told you that you must have a Gmail account for you to do that. Now, before this put, let's check if this is in the mobile, it is in the desktop side. So it's not in the desktop side. So we have to take this to the desktop side. Very important that you do that. You take it to the desktop side. So what appears on our system right now is the desktop site of YouTube. Now, when this completely open, it'll go tell you the next step that you take in order for you to create your own channel. I hope you're understanding this. I'm taking you a bit by step, so you can understand this very well. One of those things that I try as much as possible to do is to make it as simple as possible. So right now we are at the desktop side of our YouTube channel. So the next thing we do here, you look at this image here right now. This my image, right? This image here. So we click on this particular image and will take us to the next thing that we need to do. I've clicked on it and to show you different options there, different options. Now if you look at these options that create your channel, your YouTube studio, switch account, sign out, you get down to this particular place, you are going to see settings here, right? You see settings here. Okay, so we go to settings, and from settings you're going to show us other options that we're going to do. Okay, now we look at the site that has created. There's something here right now, here something here. You see three things that are in blue colors there. Number one is channel status or features. Number two is hard or manage your channels. Then number three is view advanced settings. So we go to number two, which is this particular one here, right? This number two. So we click on the number two here. No, sorry, I've clicked number one. Sorry, please, you're taking us to YouTube. Uh, Studio. It's taking us to YouTube Studio. So we click on the number two here. Now when we click on the number two here, it will take us to another page that are going to be doing what we intend to do. We're going to do what we intend to do. Okay, now you look at what it has created. Now the first thing what you're going to see right now is create a channel. Now if you look at everything, all channels showing all channels, it means that here I have this particular channel that I'm using, this Gmail I'm using, then another channel that I've created using this particular Gmail, we are going to be showing us in another video, is this. That's Enthusiast Live, where I have 1,879 subscribers there. That's how I'm going to be. So this side. So what we are looking at is this number one, this first one, right? We're going to be what? We're going to be creating a channel. So you click on create a channel, and it brings you to the platform where you're going to be creating a channel. So here say create your channel name. here, create your channel name. Before we create that, there's something I want us to see here, and it says you can use your brand's name or another name. A good channel name to represent you and your content. You can change your channel name at any time. Now look at this. This is very important, right? So at this box here right now, this box here, what we see here right now is hard channel name. So we come to hard channel name. I'm saying we want to create a channel called glorious, right? Glorious 2. This is the channel I want to create. That's the channel name, Glorious 2. So I come to this box here. Hope you're following me. This box here. He said, I do understand that I am creating a new Google account with its own settings, including YouTube search and watch history. So I click on this box here, and you see the create icon is here, the create icon. So I click on the create icon and create my channel. You see here, my channel has been created, and this is the channel. So it's time to open this particular channel I just created. So let's use Chrome to open what I just created, and let's see what we're going to have. So you created a channel, we've created a channel, we've created a channel. Okay, so we come back to this image up there, and let's see what we've done. This image up here, what we've done. Now let's put this there. Now look at it here. Let me show you. This is the channel we just created, Glorious to no subscribers, right? No subscribers, Glorious to here, no subscribers. See, there was nothing like this here, Glorious to, and here you're seeing here that no subscribers here, no subscribers. So we have just created our channel. So let's click on this channel and go into the channel. So this is the channel that we just created. This is the channel here. This is the channel that we are right now. Right now, this is the channel Glorious 2. So you click on this and you come to this particular part. Wow, see how easy it is, your channel. You see how easy it is. So you open your channel here, and this is the channel Glorious 2, and our link is Glorious 2 MFN9. No subscribers, no videos. So this is what we have. We say create the videos. So when we click, we start creating our videos. I'm going to be showing you how to do this in our subsequent videos. Hope you learned something. Please drop your comment on the comment section. God bless you, and see you again. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share so we have more persons here. Have a wonderful day.